Welcome to Sandpiper's Perch, one of our Maikai condos, a block from the beach, perfect for a small family for an extended or short-term stay, depending on when you're coming to stay with us and what time of year you're coming. So you can see you walk into our first bedroom, 2 full beds. It's got a TV. This unit does have laundry included. Our TVs are smart TVs. There's instructions on how you can use them. Then we come to the hall bathroom. This is a shower tub combination. So if you have any age people coming, we do have an additional safety handle here to accommodate for any age. Moving into our kitchen, and this bedroom can close the door for some privacy. So now we move into our kitchen with our bar seat style dining, making it easily accessible for any size meal you're preparing, easy to serve your family. So you can see we have every appliance in here that you need to cook, prep, store, and clean, making it easy for you. This is a fully stocked kitchen. Anything that you could possibly need in that regard, you are good to go. Comfy seating area, living room, perfect for everyone to nestle in around the TV for a movie night or making this a game night spot as well. Now we're moving into our king bedroom. This has a private bath associated for some privacy. Also has a smart TV located in here for you to use. And private bathroom. This is just a shower. If you need a tub, please use the other restroom. And then I know it's dark when I'm filming this, but you should still be able to see where this beauty leads. You have a cute little dining area out here. And it leads right to the pool that is available May through late September. We even have a grill for you to use. As you can see, this is a cute, quiet little complex. You will absolutely enjoy your stay here. We can't wait to host you at Sandpiper's Perch.